Okay. Okay. Now, today, the practice that we are going to do to know how, just about speech. I won't say what aspects of speech. There are many aspects of speech. How to check your presence of mind. Voice prediction अभी नहीं करूँगा. How to check your presence of mind. I am also switching on my video so that you're not distracted by by me. Now I want you to check. I want to see how much you can speak. I'll call out a name and that person has to say something. एक sentence बोलना है आपको और जितनी अच्छी आवाज में बोल सकते हो बोलना है. हर्ष यादव.
Sir, my name is Harsh and I want TA because I want to improve my habits and some speech, etc.
जैसी भी स्पीच है वो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट से व्हाटएवर यू, कुछ भी बोलो. अपने बारे में बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो. मौसम के बारे में बोलो, जो खिड़की से दिख रहा है उसके बारे में बोलो, जिसके बारे में बोलना है बोलो. अरे कुछ बोलो. हर्ष, I'm telling you to speak whatever you can.
So there is raining outside my house
ठीक है. You
and many children are
okay. Many children are sorry. I
playing in raining.
Okay. आप किसी भी भाषा में बोल सकते हो, even in your mother tongue, if you don't know Hindi. Okay. Shreyanshu.
So it's been a wonderful day till now. It's pretty sunny outside for the first time in the entire week, I'd say. And I'm hoping that my evening plans will go good because it's not raining and it does not appear that it might rain in the evening.
Naman Kaushik.
Good evening, sir. So it is extremely hot and humid here, and my air conditioner has been on since the morning today, and this has happened for the first time in a long time. Generally, it is raining most of the day nowadays.
Vibhu.
The current timing is 4:10 and today is dated 39/21 and I'm very excited to listen everyone what they are saying.
Kush Agarwal.
Good evening, sir. So I remember this dialogue from a movie, so I'm just going to say that. I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you're looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I have acquired over a long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. If you let my daughter go now, that will be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you and I will kill you. That is the dialogue I remember. It's from the movie Taken, and I'm a big fan of the movie. I am a big fan of the actor as well, Liam Neeson. He used to work as a teacher in Ireland, I think, and he was forced to quit because he punched a student for taking out a knife in the class. I think that was pretty exciting. And
Okay, so
considering actors, I love Tom Cruise.
Kush, abhi to just
What?
just want to tell you something. You spoke a dialogue which you knew by heart, right? That's why you spoke it. But when you are speaking normally, you're putting more stresses where they should be. But when you are repeating something, then you are speaking as if it's a rote. आप देखना बाद में फ्लैट जा रही है आपकी आवाज. लेकिन जैसे आप इससे बात करते हो तो उस टाइम आपकी आवाज में बहुत वेरिएशन आता है. That variation all of you have to get in your voice. Okay. Nitin Yadav.
Today is Thursday and I'm feeling very much lonely. And me and my friends are planning to meet on Saturday or as soon as possible, and we will meet and we'll be having great fun. Thank you.
Aryaman Mishra.
So yesterday was Wednesday, right? And Wednesday is the day where I especially have very lesser number of classes, just the one in the morning. So yesterday was a good day since we went to Chandni Chowk to buy a nice bridal lehenga for my sister, who by the way is getting married this January. So thank you. And she found her dress, and after like 6 hours of sitting in the store, we finally found one, and it's been booked. And so that's how I spent my day yesterday. Today I've just been through classes, and that's all it is. Thank you.
Ashita.
Okay, so it's been a quite hectic day today. I have a quiz today and 2 deadlines to submit today. Let's see how it goes.
Atharva Mehta.
I would just say कि आज सुबह से काफ़ी हेक्टिक डे था, बहुत सारी क्लासेस थी। एसी चलाया मैंने सुबह से, और अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी हो गई है। अब मुझे रजाई की ज़रूरत है, अब मैं रजाई लेकर आऊँगा दूसरे रूम से थोड़ी देर में, जब क्लास ख़त्म हो जाएगी। क्लास के बाद मुझे ड्राइविंग के लिए जाना है। इंस्ट्रक्टर मेरे को सुबह से बहुत बार डांट चुका ऑलरेडी कि आप बहुत डिले करते हो, आते नहीं हो ड्राइविंग के लिए। बहुत स्ट्रेस है लाइफ में अभी ऑलरेडी। देखते हैं सर कैसा जाता है आगे।
Anishka.
So good evening, everybody. At first, when we were asked to switch on our cameras, I was thrown off a bit because we generally don't do that in theater. Also, that is a bit off considering that it is a theater appreciation class. But I could not think of anything, and it was pretty interesting to see what everybody came up with, the weather, movie dialogues. So all in all, I could not think of one particular topic to talk about. So I decided to talk about how I could not think about anything to talk about. But also then Ariman mentioned that it is his sister's wedding. So I just started thinking about how I've not been to a wedding in a long time. And I really, really want to go. I've been saving wedding dance choreographies for a while now. So that is interesting. Other than that, I have been sleeping pretty much all day and I wake up for this class. So yes.
Aryan Soni.
Sir, is it me, Atyan Soni, sir?
Acha, okay, Atyan Soni.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. Today was a very hectic day, and some classes were enjoyable, so I enjoyed some classes. And this courses, I have been enjoying this courses so far, and yeah, I'm hoping today is a good weather, so I'm hoping it does not rain today. So because I have to go to play basketball after this class.
Aishani Gupta.
Good afternoon, sir. Okay, so I started with good afternoon because right now the time over here is like 2:46 p.m. And it was kind of confusing in the beginning hearing everyone say good evening. And then I realized, oh wait, I live in a different country. And yeah, so when Anishka was saying that she's going to talk about how other people have nothing, like how other people have stuff to talk about and she doesn't, I thought, oh, same. Like, okay, relatable, because I don't know what to say either. But yeah, now I'm just thinking about how I have other appointments to go to after this. So like, I will probably go to the hospital after this class immediately, and then I'll go for my RT-PCR test and stuff. So that's about it for my day.
Katyayani Singh.
Good evening, everyone. I don't know if this makes me a bad person, but listening to everyone having a hectic day kind of makes me feel a part of this group because pura hafta aise hi jata hai. So I guess the only thing I would like to talk about is the amount of pressure that is already coming in, even though it's just been 2 weeks since third semester started. Sad, but we all like together in this. So let's deal with it.
Yashdeep,
सर आज का दिन काफी सही था, मतलब जो कल रात को सोते वक्त सोचा था कि कल क्या क्या करूंगा, उस हिसाब से सही था। सोचा सुबह उठ के जल्दी पढ़ूंगा, लेकिन पढ़ा, फिर मन नहीं लगा, फिर थोड़ी देर वेब सीरीज देखी, उसके बाद सो गया। सोने के बाद फिर लेक्चर आ गए। अभी टीएम का लेक्चर था, उसमें भी मतलब ऐसे ही मन लगा कि देखा हमारा टीए का है, तो उठा और अब दे रहा हूँ।
Sushant Singh,
Good evening, sir. Today's day has been very hectic compared to yesterday. I went out with my friends yesterday, and it's pretty sad that I've been sitting on my chair since the morning and attending classes. So that's it.
Dhruv Mishra.
Oh, yes. Good afternoon, sir. So I have been packing for hostel since yesterday. It was pretty hectic, and this is the first class that I've taken today. I had been packing all day, and I'm really excited to move to hostel, and I look forward to that experience.
Sahil Kumar Singh.
सर ये वीक बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक हो गया। अभी मैं अपनी बहन का प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा था, तो स्कूल की मैगजीन के लिए मैं आर्टिकल लिख रहा था। तो मैंने जब सेंड किया तो टीचर ने बोला कि ये तो कॉपी किया है क्या आपने? तो मैंने कहा हाँ, मैंने कॉपी किया था एक जगह से थोड़ा पार्ट। तो उन्होंने पूरा बोला फिर से करो, तो मैं अब तक क्लास छोड़ के कर रहा था, फिर से मुझे करना पड़ेगा। तो
Dishant Yadav.
Yes, good evening everyone. Good evening sir. बेसिकली मेरे को 3 दिन से हेडेक है और आइस पेन चल रहा है, तो मैं जनरली स्किन से दूर रह रहा था, तो मैं क्लासेस वगैरह भी नहीं रहा था, ना भी पढ़ाई वढ़ाई से ब्रेक चल रहा था। बट आज मेरे को थोड़ा काफ़ी रिलीफ फील हो रहा है और लग रहा है कि अभी ठीक हो रहा है। स्क्रीन टाइम की वजह से मेन इशू आया था, तो अब काफ़ी सही लग रहा है। और हमारे यहाँ 2 दिन से पानी नहीं आया, तो मैं नहाया भी नहीं था तो अभी हमने वाटर टैंकर बुलाया और पानी वानी भरा, फिर मैं नहा के आया, तो इसलिए मैंने कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया था स्टार्टिंग में।
Shivansh Mittal.
Good evening, sir. So as you can probably tell from my picture, I had been sleeping before this. So when sir asked us to turn on the camera, it was a pretty big jolt for me. And even ever since I've turned it on, I can't get over how weird my hair looks right now. Then I started crossing off things off my list when sir asked us to. So basically I had a random string of thoughts. Then people started speaking and I was thinking, when will my chance come? And by the time my chance came, I was crossing things in my mind off the list. Kush said a movie dialogue from Taken. Other people were talking about sleeping. And as everyone else, even my air conditioner is on. And I had been sleeping, as I've said. And that's about it. And now people are talking about deadlines. And I was in a pretty nice mood before this. Now I'm thinking about what all stuff I have to do. And then in between, I was scrolling through Instagram while others were speaking to see if some content could come, but sadly nothing came. So it was more of a random thoughts, and I'm pretty jittery right now. That's all I have to say. And then even after Kush, I even tried memorizing some lines from the internet of some movies I liked, but sadly I thought that mimicking him won't be the best thing because he had such a great flow. So that's about it.
Chaitanya Jain.
I really like movies and I love to see how the directors pull a particular scene. So I always try to find out what they went through, how they directed a particular scene, and also the script writing, the dialogues, and the dialogue delivery. I really like all those stuff, so I kind of keep searching those things out.
Yuvraj Singh.
So just like everyone, I have also had a hectic day and it's been a boring day. My parents are out to some family function, so I'm home alone as well since morning. So if you guys want to party, come over.
Navisa Jain.
Good evening, everyone. Like everybody else, I too have had a hectic day, but that's not because of classes. I've been out of my home since 10 o'clock doing some work or attending doctor's appointments and stuff. And I reached my home at like 3:58, and I messaged a friend, "K, what is going on in the class?" And he was suddenly like, "You have to turn on your camera and have to say something." So I've just been trying to think of some points to say. And when Ariman said that his sister is getting married, this thought came to my mind. And hey, two of my cousin brothers are also getting married this year. So high five, Ariman. So yes, that is it from my side. Thank you.
Hunar Kaur.
Good afternoon, sir. So I was thinking about right now. I'm thinking like I'm a bit hungry, so I was thinking what to do after the class or what to eat or where to go. And yeah, my day was not hectic at all. I was chilling the whole day, and now after listening to everybody, I kind of got reminded of the backlog of that I have to complete all the classes, and yeah, that's it.
Ayushi, you done? Ayushi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. And like, hello, friends. So, like, I shifted to hostels a day before yesterday. और अभी मैं क्लास लाइब्रेरी से ले रहा हूँ बिकॉज डे टाइम में हमारे हॉस्टल्स में एसी नहीं चलते और लाइब्रेरी इज प्रीटी कूल. सो जब सर ने बोला कैमरा ऑन करना, मैं नीचे था और हम सारे फ्रेंड्स इकट्ठे क्लास ले रहे थे, तो मैं कैमरा ऑन नहीं कर पाया और मैं इसीलिए लाइक जल्दी हड़बड़ी में सेकंड थर्ड फ्लोर पे आया क्लास लेने के लिए कैमरा ऑन करने के लिए. दैट्स ऑल.
Diksha Singh.
Good afternoon, everyone. So yesterday I went Rajput Nagar for my birthday dress shopping, and it was a hectic day, and I was so tired, and nothing much has happened yet, and it is a pretty cool day. Thank you.
Okay, is there anybody else who hasn't spoken so far? Everybody has. Okay, now this was just a trial run. It was kind of a warm up.
One student is remaining.
यतीश आपने नहीं बोला अभी तक, बोलिए.
No, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, actually, the day today is, I think, very chilling day. But I personally feel that the Thursday has to be omitted from the calendar only, from the world's calendar, and Sunday is to be added twice a week, because Sunday all the clubs are open over here, and we used to just play all day long badminton. And now also I was planning with my friends to go, but the plan was cancelled, and I'm very disturbed regarding that, because after attending the classes, it is the only thing which left us to just play all day long badminton.
Anybody else? Karan, have you spoken?
I'm so sorry. I was attending an event before, so this is why I have this background. Yeah, sorry. I just left the class because my mother came, so I had to get something from downstairs. So I was like, if I'm not here and sir says my name, so I might as well just leave the meeting. I'm
Okay.
audible.
Right. So now I'm going to share from our YouTube channel. It's called The Stage Buzz. Can you all hear me? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It's called The Stage Buzz. That's a channel on theatre and cinema. So there are some recordings of earlier improvisations and exercises since 2013-14 that students have been participating in this course. I'm going to play a playlist. I won't play all of it. Rest you can watch later by seeing the link. So these recordings are made in the classrooms. Obviously, the recording is not perfect. What is being said by the instructor or the students is not always clear. For the simple reason that there's echo in the classroom and so shot with the mobile by the TAs and all. But it's a kind of a recording which gives you an idea. It is coming very handy. Never useful for me. Now it's coming very handy. Now that I have to do online classes, at least I can show you some live exercises. तो इसमें आप देखना इसमें क्या है कि it's like follow the leader. Every student or every participant has to say or do something. Here you can't do, you can only say. That's why I'm stuck to the voice. And everybody has to mirror, copy. एक mirroring game खेलते हैं हम कि जिसमें दो लोग बिल्कुल parallel movements करते हैं. You know, like if I'm moving like this, the other person will move with the other hand like that. And so that mirroring will be done. But this is voice mirroring and pre-mirroring of the body. So whatever action the leader is doing, everybody else is following. And you tell me yourself when once you do this exercise, how you feel about it. And the moment I say change, somebody else has to take on the leadership. अगर simultaneously दो लोगों ने बोलना शुरू किया, तो automatically एक leader बन जाएगा. सब लोग उसको follow करेंगे. And all of you have to repeat what he is saying. He or she is saying. Okay. Or you have to repeat the actions as well as the voice. And then again change means the next person will take over and that person will provide the leadership. You will see how you feel when everybody is imitating you and copying you. आप सब लोग अपने माइक को ऑन रखना, कोई भी म्यूट पे नहीं होगा. Yuvraj Singh, you're on mute. Don't unmute yourself. But not now. Abhi all of you keep yourself in mute. Sorry. पहले let me show you those videos. I'll show you 2 or 3. उसमें एक चेंज के बाद एक दूसरा स्टूडेंट फिर तीसरा स्टूडेंट आएगा और 2-3 के बाद फिर मैं आप लोगों को वो गेम खिलाऊंगा. ठीक है? That clear? I'm sharing something. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
This is not key. अगर आपके right hand को ध्यान से तो left को उठाना, right को उठाना. Things like that. And body posture is neither than the relaxed kind of. And you have to follow the person around wherever that person goes. You have to maintain this one. The whole group has to follow. The whole group has to follow. In whichever shape, you don't have to really organize it or something like that. You can sit on the floor, you can walk up, you can do this, you can do that. You can sit on the chair, you can do anything he wants. But try not to use the chair, try to use the floor and all. And you can go right up to that part. पीछे जाओ, ऐसे जाओ. And इसको भी पीछे कर दो. Okay. So we will start. I will start by leading so that you get an idea. Once I say change, I want one of you to take the initiative and start. And then you cannot stop until I tell you, until I say change. You cannot stop. So approximately 3 minutes each of you has to continue. Okay? तो शुरू करते हैं. आज का क्या बात? जो मैं करता हूँ आप करते हैं. हाँ.
change.
Can you see the second video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छा है कुछ तो कर ही रहे हैं। चलो ये करो। Friends, Romans, countrymen. Lend me your ears. I come to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do lives on after them. But the good is oft. Interred with their bones. So let it be with Caesar. The noble Brutus hath told you that Caesar was a dishonorable man. And if it be so, it was a grievous fault. And grievously had Caesar paid for it.
Finally it is over. Now let me do an acting. However, it is very horrible, but still I think you will be able to manage. Whom better to enact Arvind Kejriwal? ये क्या है? ये दिल्ली की सरकार गलत है। हम कौन है? हम आम आदमी हैं। हम लोग कोई इलेक्शन में अपना करियर बनाने नहीं आए।
Okay. So दिखाई देगा आप लोगों को? Obviously, you will see that in a theater environment, in a hall, students are much more dramatic. And this was not done so early in the class. They had some improvisation before that. So now I'm going to ask you to start. And the thing is that anybody can start, and only when I say change will you stop. तब तक आपको कुछ सोचते रहना है. Your ability to speak has to be there. Everybody's camera has to be on. That's the only way you can do it. Yes, deep, your camera has to be on. Everybody. Nobody can be an exception. And you have to repeat what he's saying. So every time a person says something or does something, other people have to imitate him as much as possible in the Zoom situation and also speak what he's saying. And then that person will continue speaking. And when I say change, then somebody else has to start. Okay. So now I'm asking somebody, कोई doubt तो नहीं है? You want to ask anything? Does anybody have a doubt?
Yes, sir, I have a doubt. Like we can speak anything, na?
Anything.
Oh.
Make it interesting. if possible. If not, then never mind. Doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Ready, steady, go.
Sir, are you saying a name? Like, are you picking someone?
You have to pick up your own. You have to seize the leadership. अब इसमें मैं नाम नहीं लेके बोलूँ.
Okay.
जिसको मर्जी है वो बोलना शुरू करे, और जिसको मर्जी है जब अगले की बारी आएगी तो कोई भी ग्रैब कर सकता है. It's a leadership exercise. So you're not a follower. You don't follow what I'm saying. You will do. Now I'm starting again. Okay, ready, steady, go.
शुरू करने से पहले हम सब एक दूसरे को नमन करेंगे.
नमन कौशिक करते हैं.
जब मैं कॉलेज आया था मैंने सोचा था उड़ूंगा.
कि मैं उड़ूंगा.
मैं दौड़ूंगा. मैं गिरूंगा भी, बस रुकूंगा नहीं. बट हुआ क्या? कोरोना आ गया.
प्लान धरा का धरा रह गया.
जवानी दीवानी से सुपर 30 पहुंच गए. अब आगे अब रोज इंस्टाग्राम जब देखता हूँ लोग हॉस्टल पहुंच रहे हैं.
हॉस्टल पहुंच गए.
और मैं अभी भी घर पर ही बैठा हूँ.
और मैं
घर पर
बैठा. आई थिंक सर ने चेंज बोल दिया तो मैं टिक करूं. भैया
अब बोल रहा हूँ चेंज. अच्छा एक चीज
भैया,
पहली बार आप लोग कर रहे हो. यू विल नॉट, जो वो बोल रहा है वही फॉलो करना है आपको. टू फॉलो द लीडर. ओके, एंड ट्राई टू डू इट टुगेदर. एंड दिस गेम विल ओनली वर्क इफ दिस डिसिप्लिन. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि जूम पे थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना मुश्किल है. तो कोई डाउट है तो अभी पूछ लो, देन वी कंटिन्यू. और जब तक मैं चेंज नहीं बोलता, अब देखो ना जो अटक गया, बिकॉज मैंने चेंज बोला नहीं. आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर यू टू गेट स्टक, टू सी दैट यू हैव टू कीप थिंकिंग. यू हैव टू थिंक आउट ऑफ योर माइंड ऑन द स्पॉट, एंड यू कीप इम्प्रोवाइजिंग, यू कीप मेकिंग योरसेल्फ इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड जब आप उस पर देखो, लाइव में फर्क होता है. जब सब इकट्ठा बोल रहे थे कितनी एनर्जी निकल के आई थी. ठीक है, तो जिस टोन में वो बोल रहा है वही टोन को आपको फॉलो करना है और वैसे ही बोलना है आपको. ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट. whoever is ready, steady, go.
भैया ये संतरे कैसे दिए? भैया 100 रुपए किलो.
भैया 100 रुपए किलो.
100 रुपए.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? सोना
क्या
बेच
बात
रहे हो?
कर रहे हो?
क्या सोना बेच रहे हो?
सर ने कुछ बोला है? सर मैं कंटिन्यू करूँ?
क्या सर ने
कुछ बोला है?
ये मैंने बोला नहीं था, बोलना था.
ये मैंने बोला नहीं था, बोलना था.
This is funny. अच्छा, वापस संतरों पे आते हैं. ठीक है, तो संतरे थे 100 रुपए के.
संतरे थे 100 रुपए के.
इनका निकालना है जूस.
इनका निकालना है जूस.
आधे संतरे खराब.
आधे संतरे खराब.
पैसा भी खराब.
पैसा भी खराब.
जूस मेरा निकल रहा है, पैसों का निकल रहा है.
जूस मेरा निकल रहा है, पैसों का निकल रहा है.
रिपीट कर रहे हो यार, जूस तो संतरों का निकल रहा है ना। मैं गलत बोलूं तो मेरे को ठीक भी करना है,
मैं गलत बोलूं तो मेरे को ठीक भी बोलना है।
तुम तो रिपीट कर रहे हो।
तुम तो
कर रहे हो।
यार कुछ तो इनोवेटिव नया लाओ
यार, कुछ तो नया लाओ।
कुछ तो लाओ।
कुछ तो लाओ।
अरे डोले नहीं दिखाया था मैंने, ऐसे कर रहा था। अबे दिखाने लायक हुए नहीं है ना, संतरे का जूस ही मिल रहा है। संतरे सस्ती चेंज
संतरे सस्ती चेंज बोला ना तुमने।
होंगी तो डोले बनेंगे।
होंगी तो डोले बनेंगे।
सर ने सर चेंज बोल दिया।
चेंज बोल दिया।
ओके बोलो भाई, ओके बोलो भाई, ओके बोलो।
ओके बोलो भाई।
I pledge. The day I reach college.
The day I reach college.
I will help.
I will help.
All my heart.
All my heart.
10 sem exams as well as mid-sem exams. All assignments and projects.
All assignments and projects.
Only and only. Ariman Mishra and no one else.
Ariman Mishra and no one else.
I swear by this.
I swear by this.
And I will never break this promise.
And I will never break this
promise. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing.
Thank you guys. You guys are
amazing.
Okay. And also, one more important thing.
And also,
one more important thing. I will come to the hostel and live in the hostel.
I will come to the
hostel
and live in the hostel.
No, I will not stay at my house where I'm comfortable.
No, I will not stay at my house. I am comfortable.
I will go to the hostel and help Ariman cheat.
And I will go to the hostel and help Ariman cheat.
That's my life's purpose. Change हो गया.
सही में चेंज हो गया या मतलब जस्ट ओ एफ माय बैड नॉट गोना लाई ये थोड़ा ज्यादा awkward था than what I imagined it to be.
Not gonna lie, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा awkward था than what I imagined it to be.
Okay, I am very tempted to sing the Honey Bunch wala song just to see सबका pitch कैसा जाएगा.
Okay, I'm very tempted to sing the Honey Bunch wala song just to see कैसा जाएगा.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Don't judge me, but
okay, I'm gonna do it.
Don't judge me, but you're my honey bun sugar plum.
You're my
honey bun sugar plum. You're my sweetie pie.
You're my sweetie pie.
Okay, इतना enthusiasm तो कभी expect नहीं किया था. I don't know the lyrics after this either, so.
Okay.
I
don't know the lyrics after this,
so this is more fun than I expected it to be too.
This is more fun than I expected it to be.
I can see like half the class laughing.
I can see like
half the class
laughing like.
Also, this gives me an idea about how much I use my hands. So
this gives me an idea about how much I use my hands. So
हाँ अब सर चेंज बोल देंगे तो अच्छा होगा। सर प्लीज चेंज बोल दो सर।
Please change बोल दो सर।
Okay, everyone is just laughing. Sir.
Everyone is just laughing. Should we switch off?
Okay, I guess we'll switch off our camera.
Sorry, someone CAE.
Hello, I'm so sorry I had to go. Mom came. Okay.
Hello,
I'm so sorry I had to go.
आंटी को नमस्ते।
No, you're not allowed to make it.
You are not allowed to.
Change हो गया।
सब शांत
कोई तो स्टार्ट कर दो यार।
शांत क्यों बैठे?
सब शांत क्यों बैठे हैं?
शांत क्यों बैठे
हैं?
मेरे को कॉपी करोगे अब तुम लोग?
मेरे को कॉपी करोगे
यार
तुम लोग?
इतने बुरे दिन आ गए तुम लोगों के।
इतने बुरे दिन आ गए तुम लोगों के।
आज मम्मी बहुत खुश होंगी।
बहुत खुश
होंगी।
आने वाली हैं।
आने वाली है।
अरे आज पता क्या हुआ?
अरे
आज पता क्या हुआ? ना बाहर से खाना मंगा लिया मैंने, बताया नहीं।
बाहर से खाना मंगा लिया, बताया
मैंने।
घर में करेले बने हुए थे।
घर में करेले बने हुए थे।
अभी मैंने रैपर बाहर फेंका नहीं है।
नहीं है।
मम्मी ने आके देख लिया तो ऐसे डांट पड़ जाएगी कि एक तो पैसे वेस्ट कर दिए तुमने।
मम्मी ने आके देख लिया तो डांट पड़ जाएगी।
जंक भी खा लिया तुमने। फिर संगत के लिए बोला जाएगा तुम्हारी संगत खराब है।
फिर बोला जाएगा तुम्हारी संगत खराब है।
दिशा में जा रहे हो, गलत लोगों से सीख रहे हो,
गलत दिशा में जा रहे हो,
गलत लोगों से मिल रहे हो।
क्या करें अब? ऐसे सुनते सुनते अब हो गया टाइम, अब इम्यूनाइजेशन हो गया इस चीज से।
सुनते हो गया इम्यूनाइजेशन हो गया।
कोई नहीं, हॉस्टल आएंगे तो फिर ऐसे प्लान बना के चलेंगे बाहर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
कोई नहीं, हॉस्टल आएंगे चलेंगे बाहर।
खाना पीना के मामले में ऐसे कंजूसी नहीं करना चाहिए।
खाना पीना के मामले में
अरे उससे याद आया, यार ऐसे लाइफ में ऐसे खाने को बहुत रोमांटिसाइज कर दिया, ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी लोगों ने। मतलब
लाइफ में खाने को रोमांटिसाइज कर दिया लोगों ने कभी। मतलब
खाना ही तो है, मतलब
कितना
फर्क पड़ता है उससे कि किसके साथ खा रहे हो, क्यों खा रहे हो, कैसे खा रहे हो।
क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
वहाँ पे मिर्ची लगेगी तो तुम साइड वाले को थोड़ी ना देखोगे, तुम पानी पियोगे ना सबसे पहले।
Hello guys, it's me Diksha.
Hello guys, it's me Diksha.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back to YouTube channel.
So today I'm gonna show you some makeup brushes.
Today I will show you some
brushes.
Okay, so wait a minute.
Okay.
So these are the makeup brushes which I got from Amazon.
So these are the makeup brushes which I got from Amazon.
Okay, so this one is called highlighter brush. And this one is called blusher brush.
And this one is called blusher brush.
And this one is
called.
And we can comb our eyebrows like this.
We can comb our eyebrows like this.
Like this.
क्या बोलूं? ओके सो कमेंट करके बताओ मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पे चाहिए आपको।
कमेंट करके बताओ मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको किस टॉपिक पे चाहिए आपको।
हाँ एक्चुअली मैं सोच रही हूँ
एक्चुअली मैं
एक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल
सोच रही हूँ
आर यू गाइस एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस?
एक्चुअली मैं सोच रही हूँ एक मेकअप आर यू गाइस इन फॉर दिस?
एक्साइटेड?
नहीं मैं सोच रही हूँ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कवर करते हैं वो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा।
नहीं मैं सोच रही हूँ डेटा स्ट्रक्चर ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा।
सॉरी गाइस मुझे ओएस नहीं आता।
सॉरी
OS नहीं
नहीं
आता।
आता।
Sir, just say change.
सर जैसे
चेंज
हाँ सर जैसे
अरे अब मैं बलि का बकरा।
मैं वाली का बकरा।
नहीं मैं तुम नहीं।
अरे मैं तुम नहीं।
अरे यार कमाल करते हो तुम लोग।
अरे यार
कमाल
करते हो तुम लोग।
रहम कर लो।
अरे हम कर लो।
अरे यार
अरे
यार
बात किस बात पर करें?
किस बात पर?
टंग ट्विस्टर बोलने आते हैं?
टंग ट्विस्टर बोलना आता है।
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी राख में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई।
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू के
अच्छा सच में ऐसा किया था क्या?
सच में ऐसा किया था क्या?
चंदू किसी का नाम तो नहीं है यहाँ पे?
चंदू किसी का नाम तो नहीं है
यहाँ पे।
अरे पक्का नहीं है क्या?
अरे पक्का नहीं है क्या?
किसी का तो निकनेम होगा यहाँ चंदू।
चंदू
कुछ तेरा है क्या?
कुछ तेरा है क्या?
अरे नहीं वो तेरे तो डॉग का होगा। क्या नाम था उसका?
नहीं वो तो तेरे
डॉग का
क्या नाम था उसका?
क्या था उसका?
अरे यार चंदू के चक्कर में पूरा टॉपिक चेंज हो गया।
चंदू के चक्कर में टॉपिक
लगता है सर ने चेंज बोल दिया। बोल दिया देखो एक बार।
देखो एक बार।
अरे एक बार सच्ची में बोल दिया एक बार देख तो लो।
अरे
बोल दिया।
अरे सर आप अभी मीटिंग में हो क्या? अच्छा नहीं है सर।
नहीं है सर।
तो चेंज किसको बोलने का मन है?
चेंज किसको बोलने का मन है?
मैंने बोल दिया अभी तो।
बोल दिया अभी तो।
सर ने अभी चेंज बोला क्या माइक खोलकर?
सर ने अभी चेंज बोला क्या माइक खोलकर?
फाइनली सर ने बोल ही दिया।
फाइनली सर ने बोल
ही दिया।
अबे यार मैं कर लेता हूँ बहुत गर्मी हो रही है यार। सोच रहा हूँ एक केला खा लेता हूँ छिल के। यार टेस्टी है यार। सबकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही है क्या? मैं बता देता हूँ ऐसा कुछ चल नहीं रहा है। मैं परसों का अपने इवेंट्स बता देता हूँ क्या चल रहे थे। तो
वैसे मैं बता देता
हूँ ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है।
तो मैं परसों अपने दोस्तों के साथ गुड़गांव गया था। मैच में हमने बॉलिंग करी ऐसे।
हमने बॉलिंग की थी ऐसे।
वो काटिंग करी ऐसे। वापस आया मैं। ठीक है ड्राइव करना नहीं आता।
मुझे ड्राइव करना नहीं आता।
तो मेरी फ्रेंड ने ड्राइव करा था मुझे पर उसके घर तक वहां से मुझे चल के जाना पड़ता है।
पर उसके घर तक वहां से मुझे चल के जाना पड़ता है।
तो के में बेकरी क्या सीसीडी है।
उसके घर की
उसके घर में बेकरी या
क्या
CCD
CCD है?